makes people do extraordinary things. Maybe it's love. Our mission was to create a living reef that will grow, evolve, and thrive for generations to come.
Amazing! Amazing dive!
Knowing that there's an initiative like this in the Maldives makes me feel like, oh, this is something that I really want to do. You filmed it! It's so good! It's so good! What you got?
To all the locals here, they're keeping the island and the reef very clean, so
Her final voyage. The start of a new beginning.